Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a 2019 Scout 195 Sport Fish. Here's a look at the profile of the boat. This is equipped with the standard Scout white hull color. It also has a standard white rub rail with a stainless steel insert. And we have this boat packaged with a Magic Tilt trailer. That does include brakes. The boat has optional trim tabs, has a standard 115 horsepower 4-stroke from Yamaha. We've got a boarding step with a 2-step ladder to the port side. Rear jump seats on either side of the boat. This is a self-bailing cockpit. Got stainless steel grab handles, flush-mounted rod holders, and recessed cleats. The helm seat has a removable backrest, which also serves as 2 additional rod holders, and a large live well beneath the seat that's lighted and aerated. This boat has the bimini top option. And at the helm, we've got the optional Fusion Bluetooth stereo that has 4 speakers, 2 in the cockpit and 2 in the bow. We've got a lock glove box that has charging ports for your devices, 2 cup holders, battery switch, steering wheel with a steering knob that is on a tilt, so you can raise and lower the steering wheel, trim tabs, digital gauges from Yamaha. We do have enough space here at the dash to flush mount your preferred electronics. You can see inside the console, we have a lot of room for storage with a recessed floor that drains, and you can fit a porta potty in here. Courtesy lights on either side of the boat as well. Also in the bow, we have an optional bow cushion, 2 additional rod holders, speakers, stainless grab rails. We've got a removable cooler seat with a built-in backrest, and batteries are stored beneath. And when this cushion is removed, got a very large casting platform with good storage in the bow locker. Access to your anchor line is forward, and anchor is housed just forward of this bolster. So that's a look at our Scout 195 Sport Fish. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located on Daniel Island. Feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. Visit us online at marinemax.com, and always check out our store's Facebook page. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the water soon.